Good morning. It is Monday, November 4th, 9:15 a.m. Daily Journal. Let's go. Okay, so today, my alarm went off at 7, snoozed it, 7:30 went off, didn't get up. I was up, but I didn't get up till like 7:40 something, okay? So I was still around 7 o'clock waking up, okay? So I did hydrate. I wrote down my goals today. I stretched and I meditated. Haven't had breakfast yet. Didn't get to read, but I did get to my desk for 9 o'clock. Okay, so two missing out of the six. We'll take it for today. I wanted to go back to sleep today, boy. I was tired. Every day I'm fucking tired though. But hey, it is what it is. So daily goal is one winning trade, which is $500. Okay, or if I take a losing trade. Two bullets, okay. That's my daily goal to use my two bullets. If one loses, I can go back in and take another trade. If that loses, I'm done. If it wins, I'm done. Okay, so but my daily goal is 500. Whether I reach that or not, I have two bullets, so gotta make it happen in two bullets. Or break even for the day, right? So weekly target is 1500. Mental check-in. How am I feeling today? I'm feeling pretty good. I think the past 2 weeks has been really eye-opening and eye-changing. Eye-opening is the word, yeah. Has been really eye-opening for me, getting to learn more about myself and how I follow rules and how I feel in the market and stuff. So it's been really good. Feeling good coming into today. Okay, so um still collecting data, okay. I don't know, like I said, when I get to like 108 on that account, I can start trading funded accounts again. But I am paying currently for some funded accounts, so my debate is whether I should cancel those because that's monthly money coming in and I'm not even trading them right now. So I mean going out, monthly money going out, and I'm not trading them. So I'm still debating. Let's see how this month goes, and then we'll see. We'll see from there. But for now, I'll leave it as it is. Risk disclaimer: I accept any risk that comes with trading today. Yes, I do. I understand that trading comes with real risk, and that losing is part of the game. Yes. Let's get into it. We got any news today? Yes, we do have news. We have a 10 a.m. Medium impact news coming out today. Forest Factory don't have anything for today, but on Econo Day, this is why I use both of them. Okay, so sometimes one of them will have news, one of them won't have news, but we do have a 10 o'clock medium impact news coming out today. So we'll see what that news brings today. Okay, so we can proceed to determine our risk for today. Okay, last trade I took, it was a L. I don't remember how much of an L it was, but it was an L and the leverage was one. So we'll be keeping the leverage the same. Don't know why I do this part anyway, but I mean, I'm getting accustomed to when I have to change the leverage. So yeah. So let's proceed. Our weekly condition going into the week is still bullish. Okay, I'm still in the buy program, all right. Let's review my expectations for the week and see if something changed overnight to change my weekly perspective. Okay. So dollar is dropping. Okay, we're tanking a little bit in dollar. Okay. Next draw on liquidity. We traded to and through this inefficiency, closed below it. Next draw is the remainder of this bullish busy inefficiency in here in on the daily price, okay, which also would be in coming into equilibrium of the last 20 days. Okay, so that's my next draw on liquidity here. So I'm expecting dollar to drop a little bit lower. And also could be coming down. Oh yeah, that's the same place as the weekly BC as well. Okay, so that's my draw on liquidity for dollar. So that means dollar's coming down and Q should be going up a little bit. So let's see. But they have been moving in tandem, so I'm not particularly sure there yet, but I'm still trying to gain the confidence using the dollar and stuff. So that's why I tried to include it. But anyway, NQ higher time frame. Here we are. Okay. We still have the weekly busy that it came into yesterday. We got a little bit of a displacement currently in a 4-hour busy and all the block in here. So let's see if this can keep price higher, or if not, we have last week's low and couple lows, clustering of lows that we had on the M15 time frame. Yeah, we have a couple lows here on the daily chart. That price could potentially come and grab the liquidity and then either continue higher or continue lower. Okay. We also have this CB in here. We want to see how price behave in it. Let's sync this one so we can see it. Okay. All right. So really and truly, from my current understanding of price action, nothing's really happened to change my weekly program. Okay. We're coming into the 20-day, we're in a 20-day discount. Okay. So this is where good buys will happen, right? Or if price was to keep going lower, it can go lower. But for now, I'm sticking with my my weekly program as being in a buy program. Okay, so my pro trend trades will be buys and my counter trend trades will be sells. All right. So let's go. Now we're going to go ahead and know our buy side and sell side liquidity on the M15 time frame. So within the last 3 days, okay, we have London, we have Friday, and we have Thursday. Right. Cool. So below price, we have London sell side right here. The price has engaged already, but can still be a factor in price, okay? And below that, we have Friday's PM session low, okay? We also have Friday's daily low, previous daily low, okay? And we have Thursday's previous daily low. Let's extend that one. It's also PM, Thursday's PM session low as well. Oh my God. I don't know what is going on recently. Like, I don't get it. Just been so problematic. Don't get it. I don't understand. I just don't get it. Why you give me a problem? All right, so we have Thursday's previous daily low, and we also have the clustering of lows that we had thrown out from last week. So let's extend them to today because they will be affected because price is in close proximity to them. Okay, we got that. All right, we got our sell side below price. Okay. We also have these two here too. I'll be paying attention to. All right, but we have fresh ones, so still debating. But anyway, above price, we have London buy side. Okay, and we have Friday's PM session buy side and lunch session buy side, and also Friday's previous daily high. And then above that, we have Thursday's AM session buy side. Let's draw that out. See if I can clip one of those here. Snag. I'll be so excited for Mondays, man, because these markets open up. All right. It's exciting. I just be so interested to see what the hell's going on. It's addicting, man. It's addicting for real, for real. Once you start understanding it and you're in it, it's addicting as fuck. All right. And above that, we have Wednesday's previous daily high all the way up here. We'll drag it. Okay. Good. All right, so we have our buy side and sell side liquidity noted on the M15 time frame. Okay, price seems to be heading towards sell side liquidity. So we'll see how it behaves when it gets to the sell side. All right. So we're done there. With 5 minutes to go until opening bell. Ding 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 da ding 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 da. This is this week's new week opening gap there. Did I not? Oh yeah, Sunday opening price. So we're currently below Sunday's opening price. Right. So if this week is gonna end bullish and this is the highs, create the high already here, then I'm still trying to get the weekly power of three on the understanding of the weekly power of three. So let's look at this week and talk about it for a look of it. So this week started here. All right, so power three stays down above the Sunday open price is where the wick of the high. So we had a Tuesday high of the week. Then you trade back below it. And then when we left it on Wednesday, we never came back to it. Good to know. That's how you should have known it was coming lower, right? When we left it on Wednesday, we never came back to it. So let's see. These are all things that I'm trying to incorporate, but I'm doing it, one step at a time. I'm having it there so I can pay attention to them, but they're not like they're at the forefront of my studies right now. Let's go in this full screen mode. Okay, we got our buy side and sell side. All right, all right, all right. 3 minutes till opening bell. Currently trading back below Friday's first presented fair value gap. And now we wait. We are below a midnight opening price. All right, opening bell. We have a decent size opening range gap. So let's see if we get some good price action to go with it. It's above price, so we gap down. Came back up to Sunday opening price. Now we're going lower. Potential draw on liquidity right here. Friday's daily low. 15 CB right there. Waiting on watching price. I guess I'm gonna have breakfast now so I can take that bitch off, right? So one thing missing, which was reading. I didn't read today. Instant. Google account. What the fuck is that? Yogurt, 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 yogurt. You make a man. You got a man. Strawberry today. Fine strawberry, having strawberry yogurt. These yogurts are kind of they're lifesavers, you know. Especially when you kind of like make something in the morning, you're just trying to eat something. All right, we have our first percent of fair value gap there. Tiny, 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 whiny. Tiny one. So Friday's one turns into gray. Okay. They're in the same vicinity. They're sharing space. Shakira, Shakira. Oh, baby, when you talk like that, you know you know. Vale. Oh, señorita. Price is in close proximity to Friday's previous daily low. I'm about to grab that right now. Oh, and Friday's AM session low. Oh, I didn't even notice that there. Grabbing AM session low, grabbing Friday's previous daily low. That liquidity below that is being eaten up. So this week, we have 8:30 news on Tuesday and Thursday. So I will be starting earlier. I have an early start on Tuesday and Thursday. Cool. Sounds good. Sounds good. Wednesday. Let's make it happen. So we don't have that here on Forest Factory at 8:30 on a Tuesday. We do have the Thursday, the Wednesday. So I'll just keep going ahead and keep using both. Trading back at that weekly busy with the volume imbalance in there. And there's a gap in here too. Liquidity void. All right, next draw is Thursday's previous daily low. We have relative equal lows here. These also are relative equal lows. And we have a bunch of relative equal lows down here. So it's a massive bullseye, okay, on price. These lows. It's gonna gravitate towards them. The grab, the liquidity. That's the name of this game. Liquidity, liquidity, liquidity. And you do not want to be liquidity. You want to be on the side that eats the liquidity. First one, that right? If not, I'll forget. I don't know how to find the bits, to be honest, still. On the term inside of the week, new week opening gap. Mississippi. Increase Mississippi. In the 15 time frame. Comes back into it, you know. Cities. Very good. That's not my thing. That's not my thing. Failed to get to consequent encouragement there. We do have a swing low. Wait to see if we get displacement. Leaving the fair value gap busy. But it's still 939, so we didn't have an 8:30 news, so I cannot get in the trade till 9:50. News comes out at 10, so we'll wait until then to see what happens. The flow chart, which is new, we made last week. Trade below the kilo, swing low displacement, but we haven't traded back above it yet. Oh, well, we're about to be. Okay, now we're trading back above it. 1, 2, 3. I will tape read this and see because of the time. Time is not, the time ain't there right now for me to enter the trade. But this is this kind of displacement that one would like to see. But would it offer you an entry? Let's see. Let's put a long one here. Yeah. Or you'll be a max. It hasn't been confirmed yet. This fair value gap. So -1. Almost +1 then. Let's see. Trade below kilo. Okay, yeah, Friday's previous daily low. We go swing low with a displacement to the upside. Kilo, we're anticipating a buy for setup, okay. The only reason I'm not getting in this because of the time, but let's see. I'm tape reading it right now to see what happens. Kilo, trade to and through, swing low with displacement to the upside. Fair value get busy in displacement. Yo, are we still in trading hours? Technically, no. That's why I'm tape reading. So do nothing. That's why I'm tape reading it. If it was a yes, set limit order. I barely get busy. Low candle -1. If multiple fair value gaps, use one closest to price. Stop loss. I swing low. Oh, that's a minor change that we've made now. Instead of using the first candle low for our stop loss, we're going to be using the swing low or 150 tick max stop loss. Okay, and our take profit will still be the same. So is the swing low now and not the fair value gap first candle low. Okay, so we're always going to be electing to go with the swing low. All right, so didn't get tagged in that, but it's in TP though. Let's have it not TP1, and here's a tiny whiny one here. It's a low there. 62.50. My entry is 63.50, right? Yeah. This one came to the low of this candle was 64.25. So didn't get tagged in there on the pseudo trade. So let's see what happens. But that is the kind of displacement I want to see. But the time. Bodies closure above the consequent encouragement. Okay, so just a pending version. Back into first presented fair value gap. Let's see if he wants to go to consequent encouragement and potentially fill in the opening range gap. Yeah, don't let me not be one of those people that fit through time frames. I'm sticking to my 3 time frames. All right. Looking like prices head into that first encouragement of the opening range gap. Oh, this looks nice. Good. 950 macro in about 2 minutes. Let's see what that gives us in price. Oh, this is a break off here. But we haven't traded above it yet. Michael said he can predict that break and he get inside that before it becomes a break. Uh, that was interesting, right? I do want to see though. I'll check later. I'm not that curious right now. Well, I am curious, but not like that. $9.50 macro. Maybe it's gonna take us to consequent encouragement. Now, I highly doubt we're gonna come all the way down here now, but let's see. Oh, well, now the time is different, right? So I can actually enter. But that would mean trading before the news, right? And this is post news, opening range, and then what is traded to and through, right? So let me just stay out this for now and wait till the 10 o'clock news, right? Let me stay out this for now. Wait till the 10 o'clock news. Coming into M5 busy in here. That was great after taking south side. Now this is the flow chart. Damn. Copyrights, infringement. It don't matter. This is our flow chart that we are following. Okay. Flow chart gonna make me millions and billions of dollars. Mm-mm-mm. There's no bits in it. You just go so down so smoothly. So smooth. So smooth. If we haven't getting tagged in this trade post 10 o'clock yet, I will be placing my limit order there. But for now, we're gonna tape read it with no demo or real money behind it. Okay, so is it more like tilted this way? It needs to be more this way, maybe. I don't know this. It's not even straight. I'm not for my life. We'll leave it there. You see, we're about to throw up some Christmas. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Everywhere you go, take a look at it and them. And then I want you. Came up to the lower quadrant of the opening range gap. Seeing some down movements now, probably retracement. Let's see, is a pretty huge range. Percent is down in here. Yeah, coming to below 25%. 25, yeah. Man, I need a cut, boy. I need a cut, boy. Come and get I cut for my birthday. Only real G's are born in November, bro. Only real G's. The OGs of the OGs, man, born in November, bro. And that's not just because I was born in November, it's just facts. Argue with your mama. 5 more minutes till opening range is complete. And we'll know our buy side and sell side for those. Yeah. I think the thing what I said last week is that I want to be getting in in the fair value gaps close to the swings, right? So these two are close to the swings. They're the ones created after the swing low was formed. Okay, so that's why I'd like to be getting in. And if I miss, certain trades because of that, that's fine. Probably wasn't my trade, I'm cool with that. All right, I have to accept that. I'm gonna miss like these if this runs, we haven't run yet, but like I'm gonna miss entries up here, right? Because my preferred entries is the fair value gaps created after the swing, right? On close proximity to the swing. All right, 3 more minutes till opening bell is done. Let's get the low confirmed and stuff let's get the lines ready to go. Your mama. 11:30. Yeah. You can sync that one. Grab this bad boy, duplicate that, put that bad boy over here, and let's wait till it's confirmed. Don't want to sync this one here. Uno minuto. Un minuto. It's about to be 10 o'clock here in about 30 seconds. Medium impact news coming now, and opening range will be ending. And then the hunt is afoot. It's a bit cold. All right. Let's let this candle finish first, and then we'll confirm a high or low. Okay, until this candle completes, a high hasn't been confirmed yet. But a low, yeah, definitely, because this 1 minute candle ain't gonna springboard all the way down here. So it's looking like this is going to be a high. Still didn't make it to consequent encouragement yet. It's teasing. Hasn't been confirmed yet. You go about 20 seconds for it to be confirmed there, and we're still waiting for the M5. M5 has about 4 more minutes on it. All right, so we have our buy side and sell side for the opening range confirmed on a 1 minute time frame. Now it's about how long do I wait for this trade to be invalidated, right? Trade below kilo, to and through it, we displace back above the kilo. Displacement leg leads, fair value gap busy. Let's set that limit. Well, that limit will be ignored if we get set up here, right? So let's see. All right, we're taking buy side right now on a 1 minute time frame. M5 still hasn't been confirmed. We still have about less than 3 minutes for the M5 to be confirmed. Let's see if we get a buy sell. A sell setup for me here because we're trading to and through a key high. So we're anticipating a sell setup. So I might have to delete this one because this one happened prior to the news. And my flowchart states that is after the news. After the news or the opening range. Then we're waiting to see which liquidity is taken, right? So we've taken buy side key high. We've traded to and through a key high. So we're anticipating a sell setup formation. So we're waiting for key high trade to and through. That pause check to it. Okay, we're waiting for a swing high with displacement to the downside that leaves fair value gap sitting. Less than 2 more minutes until opening range buy side is confirmed on the M5 time frame. So let's snag this. I'm getting ready. Thursday's AM session low. Cool. Let me see that stuff on here. M5 is about to be confirmed in less than 20 seconds. Post the phone post, right? Post it. But if it's phone before it, want the phone after, right? Wait for the one the phone's after. Why does this phone just like go straight? Like, how do I change that? Shit is annoying. Just open. Stay open for me, please. Oh yeah, M5 high confirmed. Let's see, let's see. I want to delete this limit order. I want to see a post, right? I want to see it happen. Oh, we traded to and through Queen's encouragement. I didn't even realize that. Oh, that when we took the open range buy side also went to Queen's encouragement. Interesting facts there. We do have buy sides sitting up here. And also Friday's previous daily low, previous daily high. Sorry. Bloody hell. There's a lot of liquidity in here. London, New York, PM session, lunch. Yeah, mine not even come down here. $63.50. Trading to and through M5 open range buy side now. I ain't got time for that. So let's see if we get a swing high with a displacement to the downside. We did leave relatively equal lows right here, so let's see if price wants to come and attack that. Okay, potentially having a swing high here. Swing high confirmed. No fair value gap, not much of a displacement there, so nothing to do there. One, two, three. Well, we can still have a figure out with the fourth candle, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. And that one could still be involved in that candle could still be involved in fair value gap. Depending on how this candle closes. Nothing here. Yep. Both candle has no way of being involved in the fair value gap here, so I wouldn't even be interested if a fair value gap even formed here. One, two, three, fourth candle right here. Okay, this is the fifth one's about to be involved in the fair value gap, so nothing for me to do here. Nothing, nothing, nothing. So where could price potentially be drawn? Like this could potentially be the draw on liquidity now. Okay, we've come and taken sell side. So next buy side I see is these. Whether it's gonna come and take them now, don't know. Well, I don't need to know it, right? Well, I do need to know it, but I don't need to know it right now to be profitable. Trying to work up to it. Early start on Tuesday and Thursday. Remember that, remember that, remember that. It could drop now, I guess, and come in now and see. Seems to be respecting the Queen encouragement. The opening range gap there. No candle closure above it or even near it. They are happening below it. The candle closures are happening below it. Wicks do the damage, candles, the bodies tell the story. So hard though. Not really much news today, just medium impact news, right? So we don't really have any news on Forex Factory, so it's a newsless day and we lost an hour. Daylight savings time. Twice per year. 2025. 2025 just sounds so good, right? It's gonna be a good year. It's gonna be a good year. 2025 is gonna be a good year. Yeah, it's just, have I waited long enough to be tagged in this trade to cancel it, you know? It could come in there going lower and still give me my 102 ticks, right? And keep going lower. Could have a reaction there, you know, that would give me my 102 ticks. And then keep going lower. Just saying, you know, you could want to do that if you want, you know. Talking to you nice. It's itchy. Needs to be washed again. Fuck you now. I was made in this life to have money, you know, like, because I don't like doing things, and I'd rather just pay somebody to do the things that I don't want to do. And that's why I'm working so hard, so I can have the money to pay people to do the trivial things that I don't want to do. Shit, let me keep the economy going because I don't want to do it. Right now, I don't have the money to pay somebody to do it, so I have to do it. But if I had a choice, shit, me washing my hair or that crap, I don't do that. Fuck all of that. doing stuff like that. My brain's working, man. I need to be forward movement, to be working towards something, future, bigger future of the empire. All right, traded to and through, back up to and through. Open session range high on a 1 minute time frame. Get away from my door, mother truckers. Get away. Santa. Let's see what was going on in these hallways. Back to and through M5. This is the M15 one. So paying attention to that too. Nothing here, folks. Nothing here yet. All right, traded to and through the M15 now. So let's see. This could have been one of those moves where, oh, it came back into this breaker here. Left this MPC. No, that's not my setup. So, hey, if that's your setup and you were in there, good on you, mate. Good on you, mate. I have my own awesome choice, weapon of choice that I like to use here to hunt, and I haven't seen it yet, so I can't use it. Coming home so defeated, so hurt, so much pain. Ugh. When am I gonna give these legs a rest? Fucking hell. Nothing to do about you right now. Nothing to do here because our setup hasn't presented itself. So open range gap's about to be filled now. Oh no. Oh no. All right, potentially getting a swing high with displacement to the downside back below the key highs here. But let's let that be confirmed first, right? Just need to get ahead of ourselves. We haven't traded back below the highs yet. Yeah, but we're in this busy. You ain't gonna do shit down here. So stop playing with me. Mhm. Using that busy to probably fill in that gap and head to the buy side. Gap completely failed. But I feel like I'm missing this move here. No, it's fun to watch. It's fun. It's fun to try and put models together to watch it do what it's doing. But I don't feel like I'm missing the move. Buy side right up here. Draw. Yep. I know there's obviously potentially other setups I could have used to be in this trade. Like this breaker here comes into the breaker. Fair value gap in here. And another one. But that's not my model, you know, and I wouldn't have trust in that because that's not what I've been trained to look for. What I've been training to look for. So I'll be in there panicking. And I don't do them things no more. I don't do them panicking trading no more. Because I've been in trades where my heart just starts like it's about to come out my chest. I don't want to do them things no more. Over that. I like this. I like this how I'm trading. I'm calm, collected, cool, you know. I'm not panicking, no stressing. All right. This is how trading should be. Okay, it's come back up into New Week opening gap. What's that? 10, October 7th. Mhm. Nothing here for me, folks. Nothing but watching price right now. Come to this buy side. Remember my drawn liquidity when price was here was this low, was these two lows and potentially this low, okay? Now it took this low, didn't make it to this low, created relative equal lows probably for a later day, right? Rallied higher, didn't offer me an opportunity to be in the market. The model did form, didn't offer an opportunity for me to get in where I wanted to get in at, right? Which is in the fair value gaps close to the swing low. Okay, that would be these two. Okay, so didn't give me the opportunity, and now we're heading to buy side. So no problem there. We're just gonna watch and see how price behaves once, if and when it gets to this buy side. Within the time frame that we have here, right? To 11:30. Oh, 1 hour to go. Let's see if price gives us something we can engage in. Trying to do these things without yawning, but so far I've been failing. You can go to work today, my guy? But we're all casual. Yeah, definitely can go to work today. I'll finally send the year. I won't be going to those because I want to be in district, so I'll stay to it. Thank you very much. Damn, Price. I watching paint dry today. Shit, god damn it. No sporadic movement to excite me right now, you know. It's also because there's not really much going on on the news side today. We do have this week, we do have Fed Chair FOMC on Thursday, so price is probably gonna be lackluster until that, right? Until we see, well, we get to hear what Fed Power Chair has to say, you know, in terms of what's going on in the economy and stuff. So Thursday should be a good day to be in the market. All right. We have 8:30, so we'll be here live and kicking at 8:30. We won't get to do this one, but I'll tape read what the FOMC meeting does, and if it presents itself post the news. Okay, so we'll be here in the morning on Thursday. All right, should get some interesting price action after today. Well, after today, tomorrow should be interesting too. We have 8:30 news. We have high impact news on Wednesday. Medium over here. But other than that, slowly but surely working his way up to the buy side. We're right below midnight opening price now. Fucking hell. So if this daily candle close, yep, it's gonna be bullish. It's gonna close bullish. This was the midnight open price line, okay, and it dropped low into the weekly BISI, all right, and now is potentially could be heading up here into the daily BISI. BISI, SIBI. they're just so like, you know what I mean, into the city right here. That's the draw, potential draw, which also has these nested in them. So let's see, man. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Less than an hour to go. For a session to be done. So you can see there, that was the M5 entry there, right? But where would you have been putting your stop? Okay, definitely an M5 entry there, right? It was liquidity, swing low, displacement to the upside, leaves fair value gap, busy, boom, 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 150 stop, gets you to EO2. Four, four, two, not quite hit yet, but you'd be at break even now because it's hit 302. See, come on, remember it says sometimes M1 is gonna displace, but it's not gonna let you look on the M5. M5, you'd have been gaining at 950. Exactly on the macro, 950. Okay. Good to know. The thing I don't like about the M5 is that the risk is, obviously much higher than the M1. But if I'm gonna use the 150 max stop loss anyway, it's the same thing, in it. All right. So there you have it. The morning trade was on the M5 time frame that we missed. We watched it happen on the M1. We're so fixated on the M1. I did see it here, but I was just like, eh. I need to start ringing in the M5 more, right? I have it there, right, for a reason. Okay, and even so, it came in it. I wanted to get in down here, but this was the road trade happening here. Let me not sink it. Oh, let's leave it alone. The drawdown was what? 63 ticks. Nothing wrong with that. Cool. So as we can see, the entry was on the M5 time frame, okay? Swing low, displacement to the upside, use the fair value, get busy. You enter here at the high -1, use your 150s and max stop, still kept in that trade, gets to TP3. Let's annotate it. 102. 202. Be half in the wrist there. 50, 25, 75. Boom, boom, boom. 302. 302, stop moves to break even. Now we're waiting to see if 402 gets here. Good to see these things, right? So when the M5 time frame is looking like that, or the M1 is looking like this, right? And we get M5 busy. It's more than likely not going to come into the M1 close to the swing because that's a huge displacement there. But as you can see, displacement isn't that huge. Well, it's huge, but like it's more clearer with the fair value gap right here on the M5. 150 max stop loss. Same thing that we had here, right? 150 max stop loss. So what's the difference, right? Still the loss 750 here and you would have lost 750 here. So cool. All right. See, I wanted to get in down here, but as you can see now, in hindsight is 2020, right? The entry was here on the M5 time frame, which is my entry time frames. But I have both of them because it's not always going to be clear on the M1 and sometimes going to be clear on the M5. So I need to involve the M5 more often. I haven't been involving the M5s in my entries because I'm scared of the risk there, but it's the same amount of risk, the max loss anyway. So come on, man. Come on, man. And 950, you're getting tagged in at the macro too. So come on, man. Even when it came in here after 950, inside of the M1 inside of M5. Oh, mother sick. Cool, cool, cool. Cool, cool, cool. Good to know. Good to know. Good to know. I can trust you. We'll build trust in you, right? That same candle that tagged you in, but would have took you out for TP1 too. Yeah, cool. Coolio, 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 coolio. Good to know. Good to know. Good to know. Good to know. Also, when we fail to come into the price presented fair value gap, displaced higher, even fair value gap visits. Also, could have been telling you that it wants to go higher. So I can probably delete that limit order now. I'm gonna delete this limit order now because the trade was here clearly. Looking back at it. Can you imagine now it wants to come down and tag me in and stuff? Oh, you are funny, Bryce. Feel mad weird, man. Thank you, M5. And this is why I wanted to like See what the other time frames were saying about this. On the M2. Very gap. Very gap in here. One did this, came down. However you slice and dice it, it was on the M5 time frame, so regardless, looking like we're about to hit TP4 here. 1050 macro about to kick off. Good to know, good to know, good to know. That's how I could have been in this trade, okay? For next time, data collected, mind programmed. Taking a picture of that. Mental picture of that. Clicked. All right. TP forward about to be getting smashed right now. Candle. Bless me. Thank you. Body's closing above current encouragement of this BC right here. Showing a respect for this. Wicks do the damages. Bodies tell the story. Happened right in my face. And I missed. No worries. For next time. No problemo. Don't know why I avoid you, M5. Don't know why I sleep on you sometimes. I really do sleep on you sometimes. Because of the rich data. But still, 150, 150. So scared money makes no money. I'm gonna lose, but that's okay. Don't be scared about it. Come on, man. Ever go broke, I'm gonna take your money. I don't even know. So today wasn't a complete waste, right? No day in front of these markets is a complete waste. It's one step closer of data collecting, seeing different market moves. Anyway, you wouldn't have any risk in this trade at all, and plus you would have taken out three profits, three TPs. So you'd be in this trade really chilling, bro. Just leave with your runner just running, you know, with no like negative outcome, right? Every day, 1% aim to, I strive to aim, well, I strive to be 1% better than the previous day, right? That's why I keep showing up here, even on days like this where it's just like I'm just watching paint dry. I'm really not though. I am, but like I'm still getting 1% better with price action. like the realization, they're like, I saw it happening and I can't wait to watch this back and see where my mind was at during the time where the M5 was setting up this perfectly good buy right here, right? But I think I was too focused on the M1 time frame over here, trying to get in down here close to the swing, right? But this is close. This is the swing, the first Ferrari kept created after the swing low, right? So it was perfectly lined up on the M5 time frame, but I think I was too fixated. I don't know if I mentioned it. I remember mentioning it or something, but I don't know if I did. But I can't wait to watch this back and see where my mind was at when this entry was happening right here on the M5. I was too busy on the M1 over here. I don't know why I'm stuck on the M1, man. I need to pay attention to the M5 too. Cool, cool, cool. Cool, cool, cool. See, I like when things like this happen because then it makes me that 1% better, right? Because now moving forward, I'm gonna be paying attention to the M5 too now, right? Even though, because before all my attention was on M1, even though they're both my entry time frame, I just don't like the M5 because of the risk parameters. But this was max stop loss 150, and I was willing to risk that on this time frame, but I wasn't willing to risk the same max stop loss 150 on the M5 time frame. Guess it's a mental thing then, isn't it? So this doesn't make any sense. Doesn't make any sense when you think about it logically. Yeah. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. It's three TPs right there. And even though it was before the news, it was before the news. We still don't have any news here. Michael says when there's no news, economic news, he heavily relies on the macros. And this was a macro trade. But there was 10 o'clock factory orders. I don't even know what the hell that is. Consensus. Factory orders, like stuff that's being ordered from the factories. I've been underperforming. So it's within consensus. I don't know what these things means, and I don't care to know. I don't need to know what they mean. I just need to know that's when the manipulation will happen. Well, really and truly, this didn't play a factor right today. Motor vehicle sales. Might as well within consensus. A reading above zero means that the economy has been performing more strongly than expected and vice versa. Well, it's below zero. Who gives a damn, bro? Not me. All I know is that it messed with me because of the 10 o'clock time for 9:30. Earliest we can get in is 9:50. So it was there. It was there. It was there. Good to know. Brrr. TP4 about to get smashed or railroaded. Brrr. There we go. Let's see if 5 gets hit. Come on, come true, M5. Show them what you got. Show them what you got. They were sleeping on you. They were sleeping on you. You say you want to sleep on me? Fine. I'll show you what I can do. I will show you what I can do. Show me what you can do then. Show it. Show it. I'm not gonna talk. I don't do all that talking. I'm all about the action around here on the M5 time frame. I'm all about the action. All right, so TP4 hit. All right. So you'll be sitting real pretty on this trade. Sitting real pretty. Haven't taken 4 bites. Leave your runner to the target. Okay, these buy sides and Friday's previous daily high. All about the action, baby. All about the action over here, bad boy. All right, I'm gonna do a trade performance and end it here for today. Okay, I'm gonna take through to see if these buy sides get taken out today or not. But it was a good morning session, even though I didn't get in a trade, my entry wasn't tagged. I did get 1% better by realizing that I need to be paying attention to the M5 time frame again. And like I said, I can't wait to go back and watch this over and see when this was happening right here, where my mindset was at and where my focus was at. I believe my focus was all the way over here on the M1 time frame. Completely ignored the M5. I think I noticed it, but like I don't know why I avoid the M5. I know why I avoid M5 because of the risk, but like I just said, it makes no sense because I was risking my max loss anyways. So what was the difference there? Okay, just a mental thing. I got a grudge against the M5. I don't know, but it's showing me what it can do. So now I'm here with you. Okay. Anyway, let's do a trade performance and end it here for today. Um, yeah, yeah. So what did I do well today? Okay. Um, didn't chase price. Okay. I didn't chase price. My I wanted to get in at the fair value gap close to the swing low. Okay, obviously this fair value gap was close to the M5 swing low, but I wasn't paying attention to it at the time. So we're just gonna talk about what I was paying attention to at the time. Okay, so yeah, so price didn't come into the fair value gap that I wanted to enter in, so I didn't enter the market and I didn't feel the need to chase price, okay, up here. All right, so that's something I did well today. I'm pleased with myself that I was able to identify the model forming, okay, and even though I wasn't able to partake in the price action, it panned out as the model, stated, okay, so I'm pleased to be able to recognize that, and to have watched it pan out how I wanted it to pan out, right? So I'm pleased about that. Where did I fall short today? Not waking up at 7 o'clock or even at 7:30, not waking up on time seems to be something I'm falling short on every bloody day. I need to get it together. Okay, not waking up at a decent time, not completely finishing my morning routine, okay. I didn't read today, okay. I did have breakfast during a morning session. It was my yoga, whatever. Still my breakfast. Okay, so I didn't get to read this morning, so I didn't completely finish my morning routine before coming to my desk. All right, so I need to get better at that. All right. Also, where I fell short today also is by not paying attention to the M5 time frame. Okay. M1 and M5 time frame are my entry time frames, okay, but I found myself paying more attention to the M1 time frame and not the M5 time frame, okay? So I need to be balancing it out in terms of looking for a setup on the M1 and M5 time frame, okay? So anticipating them to form on both time frames, all right? So yeah, and the entry would have been out 950 macro too, so would have been the same stop loss anyway. So yeah, so that's where I fall short today. How can I improve for the next trading day? Once again, that would be rehashing or well re emphasizing the point of paying attention to the M5 time frames. If the M1 doesn't look clear or is a big range like this, it's a huge range like this, right? There's price is less likely to come all the way down in here until the fair value gets close to the swing to keep going higher. If it's strong, right? If we're in a strong, it can happen, but if it's a strong up move, it's rarely gonna come all the way down here. All right. It not coming down here showing you how strong it was, in fact, right? So be aware of the M5 time frame. Okay, the setup can form there too. Okay, so remember that M5 can form the setup as well. All right, so even though like you wasn't anticipating this wouldn't have probably okay. If you knew, sometimes I don't know what I'm trying to. If you knew that this, this huge range price is likely not to come all the way down lower to equilibrium, let's see what the M5 is saying, right? And M5 had the perfect model setup right there. Perfect setup. Like everything was just there, just crisp. The key low traded to and through. Okay, we have a swing low with a displacement to that downside to the upside, sorry. Swing low with a displacement to the upside, leaving fair value gap busy right at the swing low. Okay, so perfect drawdown was 63 ticks, which is usually what the stop loss on the M1 would be anyway. But this one we would be using our max stop because below the swing low is too much. Okay, so we'll be our max 150. Target one, target two, target three, target four smashed. Okay. All right. TP1 would have been taken out right here, but about 5 to 10 minutes in his trade would have been done. Okay. TP2 will be half in the risk. TP3 move to break even. TP4 just remove it and and leave a runner to eventually hit our target, our drawn liquidity, which is these buy sides and Friday's previous daily high there. So as you can see, we're heading to TP5 right now, which is also still below our target, okay, of these buy sides being hit. All right. So that was the trade of the day for today. We missed it, okay, because we were too busy focused on the 1 minute time frame and not paying attention to the M5 time frame. That's that is an entry time frame as well that we can enter on, okay? So yep, that was the business for today. So moving forward, like I said, how can improve for next trade? Just pay attention to the M. If it's not clear or if it's a huge displacement on the M1 time frame, okay, it's less likely that it's gonna come down to the fair value gap close to the swings on the M5 M1 time frame. So let's see what the M1 M5 is saying at that time when M1 is doing this price action here. Okay, so yeah. So that was a trade today, was on M5. We missed it. No worries there. It was a good tape reading session. Okay. Got to realize a few things and I got 1% better today than I was last week. Okay, so all in all, I'm happy with my performance. I'm pleased with myself, with how I've acted in price today. Okay, I didn't chase price. I didn't feel the need to be in the move. Okay, so even though the price was moving without me, and I saw the model forming, and I was like, okay, I anticipated the model forming. Then it formed. Didn't tag me in, but it did exactly as the model state that it would do after doing the things that set up the model, right? So that's what I'm trying to say. So it was good. I'm pleased with myself for today. Um, yeah, tomorrow's a new day. We're back at it. Okay, tomorrow we'll be here 8:30. We have a 8:30 news coming out, and I do want to watch price and see how the manipulation happens at 8:30 there. Okay, see if we get a setup. All right. Forex Factory doesn't have news until 10, and it's the presidential election. Okay, so we'll be here tomorrow early. I'll aim to get to my desk for 8:15. So that means I actually have to get up at 7, if not, right? 7 the latest, but really should be getting up at like 6, 6:30. But at 7, I have to be up tomorrow, okay? Because I have to give myself time to do my morning routine, okay, and time to get to the desk as well, okay? So we'll be kicking off tomorrow at 8:15, okay? 15 minutes before the news come out so we can get settled and get set up and get ready for the news and see if we get our model to form, all right? So that's it for today. Thank you. I will see you, young lady, tomorrow. Peace. Happy hunting.